Hey y'all, got this real beautiful knife I want to show you from Buck Knives. This is the Buck 305 Lancer. As you can see, it's got the Buck hammer bolt shield, a single brass pin, nickel silver bolsters. It's got a single back spring, brass liners. Got a really nice small sheepsfoot coping blade. That'd be really good for a little bit of whittling maybe. I know Dude approves it. Very nice satin finish. Very good snap. Main blade, got a very nice little clip point. Looks like somebody tried to put an edge on there and didn't do quite a very good job. Nice long pull. You see we got the Buck 305 USA tang stamp. From what I understand, this one was made like from 72 to 85, something like that. Can't get an exact date on it, but it is an oldie but a goodie. Very nice Delrin covers. It's in really good shape. Now I've got a before picture I want to show you. I'll throw that up here in a second. And I cleaned it up about the best I can. I didn't want to get too hard on it, but it turned out really nice. I like it. Very lightweight, less than an ounce. Great little fifth pocket dropper, suit pocket dropper. Nice gentleman's knife, church knife. What do y'all think? The Buck 305 Lancer. And by the way, this is a pawn shop find. I got this at a pawn shop for $15. Can you believe it? What a deal. All right, y'all. Let me know what you think about this Buck 305 Lancer. I'd love to hear from you. And if you come this far, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It means a whole lot to me. And right about now, you see some videos popping up. I'd appreciate it if you give them a look. And hope everyone has a wonderful day. And remember, y'all, live life on the edge. Stay sharp. Bye now.